Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. Before that, everyone wishing a very happy new year and hope this year will give you more of profits. Okay, so now if you look at the chart, what you can see that the particular range which I have already explained in my previous video, that the high of that particular range was 1819. Okay, and this 1819 is already, if you look at this chart, we have seen that this range is already being tested. So chances were very high that if it crosses this level of 1819, we can see it can move further. See, and now it is currently moving at 1829 and made a high of around 1830. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what you can see that it has made a high of around 1829.9 or 1830. Okay, so once this range break upside, that means if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1834.68. Why I am telling you this? Because if you look at the previous charts, we can see this is after breaking this particular range, then we can see it, if it sustain this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1832.92, because this level is already tested twice. I'll show you a year chart. See, and this level is already tested here twice, and I've already explained you that once this range breaks upside, because if you look at the chart, 1814 is already tested here twice, so chances were very high it could have gone further upside. And now we can see 1833 is 0.6 is already tested here, so chances are that if it sustain this level of 1829, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1833.61, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1840. Okay, and once 1840 is crossed upside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1845.48. and I have already told you that 1845 is an average where if the price sustain above this level, then we can see 5 to 10 to $15 of movement upside in the gold. You can back test it. Okay, and if the price goes below after sustaining this level below 1845, then we have seen a movement of 5, 10, $20 of movement in the downside. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, now if you look at the chart continuously, because chart is a pattern which, see, one thing you have to understand that whatever the digit is, whatever the price is going, okay, it will not give you the correct thing, but the chart will show you the correct, because it is a price related chart. Okay, and this candles are formed on the basis of price. So what chart can explain you, these fundamentals cannot explain you. Okay, so keep always, these numbers can't explain you. Okay, so if you are good at chart, you can be good at where the trend is. So always follow the price action strategy, because there is, see, if we look at the trend continuous, look at the trend, if you are follow a price action strategy, you will always understand where is the trend is. Okay, now suppose if it sustain this level, I have already told you that if it sustain above a level of 1832, then we can see a level of 1833. Okay, 1834.43, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1845.33, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1856. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 64 also, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1872. Okay, once the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside to a level of 1875, and once the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1889. Okay, if you look at the chart, I have already explained you short or long view. Okay, once this, and this is a narrow pattern forming. Okay, so probability will be very high that it can go further upside. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a 1900 zone very soon, because once this zone break upside, means if it 1875, because this is the particular high and we have not seen this price from June. Okay, so once if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go higher to a level of 1900, can go further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then what we can see, it can go to a level of 1821, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1813. Once the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1807, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1795. Okay, again I repeat, if the price goes below this level, then we can see a support is coming at around 1821. Okay, and if this support didn't sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 14.60. Okay, once if it didn't sustain 1814 also, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1808.65. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1800. Okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1786.85. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1775. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1770.99. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1759. As of now, what I can see, it is going in an uptrend. If the price goes below a level of 1793 or 1789, then only we can see it can go further low. Otherwise, if it sustain above a level of 17 or 1800, then we can see it is going further upside. Once if it breaks a level of 1834, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1869 also. It can go further high. Okay, and need out, you can mail me, but remember one thing, in 2020 you have to be very careful with your risk and reward thing. If you are risking 1%, gain should be 2%. Always remember one thing, that if you are trading with $10,000, always trade with 10 to 15% per trade of a pound. That means with around $1,000 or $1,500 if your capital is 10,000. Okay, so your risk will come to 0.5 to 1%. Why I'm telling you this? Because it will be $100 to $150. Okay, $150, so that you should be mentally relaxed in order to trade the next day. That is very important. Okay, any doubt you can mail me. I can guide you regarding this psychologically and with trading patterns and all, and when to enter and when to exit in a group as well as in individually I train. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.